Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous video that I released on Saturday, then you can easily recognize this setup because things have not changed much after the market opening. You can see that after the market opening, market has formed two hammer kind of patterns with price rejection from below, and our strategy still remains the same. Because if you look at the trend of the market here, then there should not be any doubt that GBP USD is in downtrend. And if you're thinking that you should go for a buy here, then my dear friends, going for a buy is not a good decision, because if you buy here, then your risk to reward ratio does not match. Your stop loss will be here, and this will be a take profit target being the resistance at 1.3600, and on the other hand, there is no logic of shorting the market here, so it is out of the question. So the only trading opportunity that I already shared in my previous video is this particular level, shorting the market at 1.3600, and the reason is that at this particular level, at the blue arrow level, we have a double resistance. We have this horizontal line, the static resistance, as well as we have this dynamic resistance in the form of trend line. So therefore we have a very strong resistance at this particular level, and there's a good chance of GBP USD going down or reversing from this particular level. And on the other hand, if we look at the chart of DXY, in the DXY also we have a similar pattern. DXY is an uptrend, and as we all know, when DXY goes up, GBP USD goes down. When DXY goes down, GBP USD goes up. So there's a good possibility, yes, there's a good possibility of US dollar DXY will be in this particular portion where we have a double support, and GBP USD will be in a portion where we have a double resistance. So when dollar will be at the double support, there's a good possibility of going up, and on the other hand, at the double resistance on GBP USD, we have a good possibility of going down. That will be the ideal position with proper confirmation, additional confirmation to short GBP USD. But right now, if you look at the chart of dollar here, then you can see that US dollar is trying to take support at 23.6% retracement level. And let's see, if dollar goes up from here, starts going up from here, then definitely GBP USD will not be going till here, and there will be fresh selling. Yes, there will be selling on GBP USD. Anyways, keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar. If you see heavy buying on US dollar, if you see dollar going up, making big fat candles, then definitely you can take a short position on GBP USD. But still, I'll say that if dollar goes down or retraces a bit, then this particular portion on the GBP USD chart will be the best position to short the market. Let's wait and watch where the market moves. It will be the best position, and in case there is a heavy buying on US dollar, yes, you can take a short position on GBP USD as well. Let's wait and watch. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.